Former Dinagat Islands Representative Ruben Ecleo Jr. has been arrested in San Fernando, Pampanga. Ecleo is the #1 person on the Department of Interior and local government's most wanted list. The former legislator was sentenced to life imprisonment in 2012 over the killing of his wife in 2002. The body of Alona Bacolod Ecleo was found at a ravine in Dalaguete, Cebu. She was strangled to death. Police arrested Ecleo with his driver Benji Faran. When he was nabbed by authorities, Ecleo had in his possession 170,000 pesos cash, fake IDs, and jewelries. Ecleo is known as the Supreme Master of the cult Philippine Benevolent Missionaries Association. In 2006, Ecleo was convicted of graft over infrastructure projects in Dinagat Islands when he was mayor of San Jose Town in the 1990s. In 2012, Ecleo was dropped from the House of Representatives role due to his graft conviction.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.